Hi friends, I'm sure you would have seen my previous video on the Indian Ocean region, which talks about the importance of this ocean. And right now it has become the eye of a storm, with China trying to dominate this area and getting into a place which was calm and peaceful. It has taken Maldives into its net by wooing Moizu with its vested interest projects and using his India out policy to govern and control this area, which is an important sea link for communications and a major area for trade link between the east and the west. So it hampers India in its dominance of the area and not trying to let China bulldoze its way in this area. So India has come up with a naval base called the INS Jatayu at the Minicoy Islands in Lakshadweep. And it has used its neighborhood first policy, in which also Maldives has gained a lot. And this policy is basically for these small little friendly countries like Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and others in this area of the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal. So here, Mauritius has benefited from India because India has spent a major portion of its budget, which is allocated for this neighborhood first policy, for Mauritius in its infrastructural growth, for an airstrip and a landing pier between the Archipelago Islands and the mainland of Mauritius. Also, India has made Mauritius as the first country in its partnership for the Jan Aushadhi plan, which deals with free and good quality medicines and medical treatment for its citizens. This airstrip and jetty, which was been inaugurated by our Prime Minister last Monday, was also attended by the Mauritius Prime Minister Pravind Jugnauth. And this, like I said, jetty and the airstrip will also assist in helping Mauritius take control of its economic zone and also stay safe and guard its waters from other aspects like piracy and international interferences by other nations. And our Prime Minister has highlighted that Mauritius is an essential partner under our neighborhood first policy, and new heights of mutual cooperation between these nations will be achieved in coming years. Due to some traditional and non-traditional challenges which have come up in this area, Mauritius plays a very important role, and also its tourism will grow, making its economic grow many folds. This move is basically against the backdrop of growing concerns of our country, like I said, for China's increased military activities in the Indian Ocean, which is basically an area where the Indian Navy has its sphere of influence. So the development of this country will benefit both India and Mauritius. and also the virtual inauguration of RuPay and linking of the UPI has been a major jump in its economical and trade ties and will make both these countries grow together and not let other countries dominate our waters. So, if you have any thoughts in this aspect, please give your comments in the box below and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jai Hind.